So we are asked to graph the line y equals negative 4x. We need to think about this a little bit. We need to remember that y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is the y-intercept. And remember, Schlegel always likes to think of slope as a fraction, so let's convert this. Instead of negative 4, that would be negative 4 over 1 x. And there is nothing being added to the end. So you can consider that a plus 0. And so what that means is this graph would start at 0, the origin 0, 0, and then our slope would be negative 4 over 1, which is saying down 4 to the right 1. Let's take a look at another. We have y equals 1/3 x. And as with the last one, you can see that there is nothing being added to the end. You can consider that a plus 0. So this graph would begin at the origin 0, 0 on the graph. So beginning at 0, 0, and that slope is positive, and it says up 1 and to the right 3. Let's try another. This time we have y equals x. People get particularly confused about this one. Let's make sense of this. And so if we look at that x, we can see that the number or the coefficient of x that would be in front of it would be 1. So we can say that is 1 over 1, which is equivalent to 1x. And there is nothing being added to the end. So that would be y equals 1 over 1x plus 0. So again, we begin at the origin, 0, 0, and the slope 1 over 1 says up 1 and to the right 1. And we'll do one more. We already got y equals, that was negative 4x, that's 4x, it's very similar, so we'll try another. Let's see if we can get something unique. Seem to be kind of going back to the same ones. Okay, this time we've got y equals 3/4 x. And again, you can consider having a plus 0 at the end, which means that this would start at the origin. And then the slope says to go up 3 and to the right 4.